A Vancouver woman who lived in squalor with no heat or running water in her rented mobile home is suing her landlord. Casey Jewell claims the property owners unfairly charged her back rent, then tacked on extra fees before moving her into a new unit. Her attorney, Carl Snodgrass, is with the nonprofit Northwest Justice Project.
She's in a new place, but there hasn't been any accountability for what she went through for so long, the conditions that she was forced to live in.
We first met Casey back in February at a mobile home park north of Vancouver. The unit she was renting was falling apart, and no one would fix it.
Think people should be living in these kind of conditions?
No. Nobody should be living in this.
At the time, she had no running water. The heater had broken, the toilet stopped working, and there was a hole in the kitchen ceiling.
Because when it rains, it drips. It's like on all these buckets.
Casey and her son had complained to management repeatedly, but nothing seemed to change.
And when you got contact with that certain, they're like, oh, we better do something.
Our story, along with public outcry, prompted her landlord to find Casey a new place to call home, just around the corner. But according to a newly filed lawsuit, it wasn't a smooth transition. Casey claims before she could move, the landlord demanded back rent and tacked on extra fees that weren't in her rental agreement. The lawsuit claims the owners, Hidden Village LLC and Home and Parks LLC, violated several state laws by renting her a unit that was unsafe and didn't have running water for 57 days.
I hope tenants realize that they have rights, that you don't have to live in unlivable conditions. You don't have to tolerate that.
The mobile home is owned by Denise and Michael Warner of Vancouver. We've reported on them before, including a recent judgment where they had to pay nearly $1 million in penalties for issuing unlawful eviction and utility shutoff notices at a different mobile home park in Washington. The Warners did not respond to a request for comment on Casey's situation or this new lawsuit.
Kyle Aboshi in the newsroom for us. Kyle, appreciate you keeping us up to date.